All right, folks, we've got here the EV Rider AF Transport Plus. Again, this is the EV Rider AF Plus Transport scooter. This scooter comes in 4 different colors: silver, burgundy, copper, and blue. So 4 colors. This is a automatic folding scooter that weighs 49 pounds once it's automatically folded. So let's go right away to the folding part, because all of you want to see how that works. When you fold a scooter, you'll take your key fob, take the key out. The key has to be turned off, okay? Your lights in the back, the red and the green light, have to be on. So if they're not on, you need to switch that little button right here. Make sure they're on. And then you use your key fob, okay? And you hit the red button on the key fob. So when you hit the red button, you'll see the scooter folding, and the noise you hear now is the Velcro under the pads. And when your scooter is folded completely like this, then you can raise it up like this, and you can roll it around just like a suitcase, okay? And then you can make sure you turn the power off. You don't want these lights on the back on. And now you've got a total weight of 49 pounds, almost 50 pounds, okay? Now, a lot of you buy this and you call me back and you say you can't lift it, but it's 49 pounds. It's very easy to lift if you have someone healthy that can help you, or with 2 people, you can grab the front and the back, and it should be real easy to do, okay? So as you can see, it moves just like a suitcase. So if you're going to the airport or whatever, you want to move it around, it has those little tip wheels. When you unfold it, let me give you a trick. When you go to unfold it, do not let it sit like this, because it's going to collapse on the floor hard. So when you unfold it, it has to be sitting on the ground again like this. And then you make sure you hit your little button here. Then you hit your green button here, and the green button unfolds it. And now you're unfolded. The seat back always folds down. It doesn't stay up unless you're sitting in the chair. The reason is you want that tiller to hit this. You don't want it to be sitting up when it folds up, okay? Now, if you don't have your fob, or your fob is not working, you can always do it manually in the back. So if I show you in the back, you see how it's green and red. So if I hit the green button, okay? I hit the red button, I'm sorry, I hit the wrong one. It'll fold automatically. So if your fob is not working or you lost it, you can always do it manually. Well, it's not manually, but from the back. So it's the same thing when you want to open it up. You hit the green button, it'll unfold itself. So this is just a little suggestion. If you ever lose this, don't lose your keys. I would keep your keys separate. Keep 2 keychains, 1 keychain, so if you don't lose both keys at the same time, especially if you're on vacation, okay? So now, let's talk about the scooter. I'm gonna put the key back in, turn the key back on. So this little scooter has a weight capability of 250 pounds, okay? So a lot of you call me and you give me your weight, is it gonna work for me? I'm just telling you, it's 250 pounds. It has a total distance capability on flat surface, no wind, perfect condition, a total distance of up to 10 miles. That's a long ways. It has lithium batteries right in here, okay? So it gives you a total distance of up to 10 miles. That's, as I said, perfect condition, perfect weight on the scooter. So some of you might get 11 miles. Some of you might get 7 miles. It's different for everybody, okay? But the manual says up to 10 miles. The weight capability of this scooter is 250 pounds. The length of this scooter, folks, you're gonna need to go by my measurements. I'm gonna give you the length right now. From front to back, it's about 34 inches, okay? When it's opened up, 34 inches. The width of the scooter is 16 and a half inches. That's really narrow, 16 and a half inches. So you could say 17 inches, okay? if you want to round it up. The seat on this scooter is 15 by 12. So the seat width is 15 by 12 inches deep. And no, there's no bigger seat because we don't want someone using this scooter. This should not be on this scooter. So it's 15 inches wide, 12 inches deep. The length is 34 inches. The width is about 16 and a half. We round it up to 17 inches, okay? The tiller up front, this is called the tiller, is adjustable. So if you turn this knob, you can bring it down or you can bring it up a little higher, okay? You also have on this scooter headlights and tail lights. So if you see right here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a headlight right there. Sorry about that, folks. I'm dragging the scooter around, but I'm trying to save time. And you can see the tail lights right here. And you can see you also have a little tip wheel right here. Okay? So now I'm going to make it go backward with its own power. Okay? So you have a headlight and a tail light on this scooter. You have some kind of a horn. And you have a speed adjustment here. You can make it go fast and slow. This scooter has a top speed of 3.8 miles an hour. So you're not going to be chasing rabbits with this one. But the top speed is 3.8 miles an hour. That's the top speed. Well, because it's small and it's narrow, it serves its purpose. If you need a small scooter, you need to take someone to the store, to the doctor's office, on cruises, short distances, this is perfect. You do get 2 keys. You have a speed reducer. The nice thing about this scooter is this side right here makes it go forward. This side makes it go reverse. But you can also use your fingers and push it forward and go backward with the same lever. Forward, backward. Okay? Forward, backward if you just want to use one hand. Okay? The wheels on this scooter are 8 inches in the back, 6 inches in the front. And I think you saw that earlier. You can see the wheels in the front. They're side by side. There's 2 wheels. So it's technically a 4-wheel if you look at it this way, but you know, this is technically a 3-wheel, but it's got 4 wheels. These are 6 inches and the back wheels are 8 inches, okay? So as I said, the scooter weighs about 10 pounds, 3.8 miles an hour. It has lithium batteries, so it charges pretty fast because they're lithium batteries. You do get a charger with your scooter right here. This is your charger. And when you charge the scooter, you charge it right here. Okay, there's your charging port right there. There's a little door right here that you can open up. You just flip the little door open. I'm not going to open the charger, but you can see it plugs right here. And as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. Okay? All right, so let's recap the EV Rider AF Transport Plus scooter. This scooter right here comes in 4 colors: silver, burgundy, blue, and copper. 4 colors. It has a total weight capability to carry a person of no more than 250 pounds. It has a top distance, that's how far you will go, up to 10 miles an hour. It has a top speed of 3.8 miles an hour. The scooter, the way it sits here, is about 34 inches long. 34 inches long by 16 and a half. We talked about 17 to round up the number, but it's 16 and a half. If you fold the scooter, okay, whoop, remember the keys have to be out of the ignition, and then you hit the red button. If you fold the scooter, your dimensions change, okay? Let me give you those right now. So when the scooter is folded, your total length is 30 inches. The tallest part is going to be 18 inches. So 30 by 18. Some of you want to know that because you're going to try to put this in your suitcase. 18 inches tall, 30 inches long when it's folded. Tires in the front are 6 inches wheel, 6-inch. Tires in the back, solid tires, are 8 inches. The seat, as I mentioned earlier, The seat on the scooter is 15 by 12 inches. 15 wide, 12 inches deep. The scooter has a top speed of 3.5 miles an hour. It has electromagnetic brake. What that means, some of you, it's a big word. I like to use that word once in a while. Electromagnetic brake means that when you're going down and you let go of the speed, it stops pretty much within a foot or two. There's a built-in electromagnetic into the motor. It slows the motor down to a stop, okay? So you have this in the scooter also. You have your charging port here. It comes with a charger. It comes with 2 keys and a key fob. And the total weight of the scooter, with the way it's set up here, folded or unfolded, is 49 pounds. So if you want something really small so you can enjoy and you want to take places, this would be a good option. So this is the EV Rider AF Plus Transport Scooter. Top speed is 3.8 miles an hour. It turns really good, so if you want to turn really sharp, look at this. It turns pretty much on its own length. So this is, I'm 6 foot tall, 183. I mean, it's perfect for me if I needed something this small to get places. But this is the EV Rider Transport AF Plus scooter. 3.8 miles an hour. It has a capability of 250 pounds. The total weight of this scooter is 49 pounds. The length is 34 right now by 16 and a half. The seat is 15 by 12 inches deep. You've got electromagnetic brakes in the scooter. It stops when you let go. The tiller is adjustable up and down. You have a battery gauge on here that tells you how your batteries are, and your charging port is on this side. It comes with a key fob. It's an automatic folding scooter. Just a cute little scooter. And this one is very dependable. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.